Get out of bed, get out of this tent, get into that blue sky day. Welcome to another episode of Artopium's Guide to Urban Camping. Yep, it's another beautiful day in the parks. On the way to Hawthorne again with the cart. Gonna make the donuts. Gonna make the donuts. I don't know if you can see this rainbow as well as I can see it, but you know, days like this, it's good to be alive.
Don't take my picture, bro. Don't take my fucking picture. Seriously.
It's on YouTube. It's on YouTube.
Take my picture,
Shut
bro.
up.
Fucking rude to take somebody's picture without the permission, actually.
May I have your permission to take your picture? Alright. Your face is not in the picture.
What is this?
I had an awesome time.
It's turquoise.
I have this. I might have it in my backpack. I have one just like it, actually.
You're gonna be on YouTube. How does that make you feel?
Like an Asian painter when they're the nicest Chris Harley.
You're gonna be alright with it? Okay, good. Because you're gonna be on YouTube. Alright, cool. Say, I love Artopium. I love Artopium. I just may have found another gorilla urban camper. Brother, what is your name?
Michael, bro.
Michael. That's very interesting. Well, glad to meet you, Michael.
You too, bro.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Mike. We finally made it back to camp. I'm not even going to strike up the stove. I'm just going straight to bed. It's so late. We got to go back to Hawthorne and go back to the vendor wars. Good morning, campers. It's another beautiful day. We have what I can only call a vendor war to engage in this morning. Well, apparently Amy didn't show up, so I don't know exactly how much of a vendor war is going to ensue, but I did end up with something next to my booth today, and that is Chuck E. Cheese dancing.
Hey, what's that? Well, you think like there's gotta be one man on it. I did a Christmas art gallery thing.
So, I actually am thinking about going to Seattle this weekend and taking the whole urban camping venture to the Folk Festival. Today's a big day. I'm going to try to go down to the first day of the Rose Festival at the waterfront in Portland, and I'm catching a ride with some friends to Seattle for a Folk Festival this weekend. So not surprisingly, today got rained out, but I am going to go to the Rose Festival down by the waterfront anyway and check out what's happening. So we're going to take an adventure in the rain today. Well, as they say, welcome to Portland in all of the rain. Pushing the cart. At least my dog's got his raincoat, and so do I. So we're all right.
Hey, hi.
Hi.
Isn't it so fitting that with such a late summer that Portland would bring in so much snow into the city center? So I just met up with Laz. We're in the van and we're about to hit the road to Seattle. Well, we made it to Seattle and we're at the Folklife Festival. I'm about to go see if I can find a good place to post up and put my jewelry. So do a little scouting now. Well, did a little scouting around at the Folklife Festival. There are quite a few performers out already. Don't know if there are many spots for me to put down the jewelry yet, but I'm going to keep looking. Well, we set up and we even got some coffee from a stranger who walked by. Lots of people coming in, still sitting underneath the Space Needle, and we'll see how well this does right. Back at camp now after getting back from Seattle, and did pretty good, made some good money, but I'm feeling a little dirty, so I'm going to take a shower. To have a hot shower, simply boil a pot of water and then pour it into the cold water in your bag until it gets to the right temperature. To use a solar shower, just find a good spot between two trees and fill your bag up with water and hang it. There's nothing quite like taking a warm shower in the woods. There's no longer any snow in Pioneer Square. They have now replaced that with flowers this weekend. Isn't that nice? Well, today is the first day the Rose Festival hasn't been rained on. It's also Fleet Week.